Kaylee Brian, the creator of this YouTube channel, and this is... There we go. What are we going to be doing today, Dad?
Nature walk.
Yay. Did that go on him? Nope, that went on the screen. Okay. Well, yep, we're going to be going on a nature walk today, and when I edit it, I'm probably just going to put music in the background, because I probably won't be talking much, except to,
Some motherfucker.
There were just random people looking by, and he just stopped. Well, that's my dad for you.
Oh my Lord, look at that white man.
Well, this explains a lot about my dad and explains a lot about me. Well, I see you guys when we get there.
Hang over the wall of the VIP
Hey guys, okay, so we're here, and I forgot that this is behind a old haunted place thingamajigger. I forgot, I don't know, but bad lighting, don't judge. But yeah, and let's cross our fingers, not see any ghosts. I don't want to die today.
Okay, that was it. Let's go.
No. Ooh, let's go up there. Let's go.
It's this way. It's not that way. You see the chain?
Well, I mean, I'm savage. Hashtag rebel up in this. Wait, Dad.
What?
Dad.
What? No.
Dad.
Come on, bitch.
Dad! It's still recording.
It smells like the doo-doo out here.
My life. Literally, my life is sad. Butterfly! Getting the camera. This is really pretty. Except for, I mean, people that, died and, are haunted now. But, I mean, yeah. Jerk. What do you mean? Actually,
You want me to ditch yet?
there's no chain over here. There's no chain over here. No, I said there's no chain. I think this is this entire thing of dead bodies. Should I be scared? Let's go to the waterfall trail. No, let's go to the waterfall.
Okay.
Look how high we are. Not like that, Dad. Wait, Dad, whip.
No, come on.
Hey, I thought we were going to the waterfall.
We are. Okay?
Oh.
This is the trail.
I thought that the other way was. Where the sign
Do you
was.
not know how to read signs? It's going this way.
Oh.
That means we go this way. I think.
I'm being rude on camera. God.
If not, we'll figure it out.
Sorry, the camera's so shaky. Look how pretty it is. Just, it smells good, but not good. You ever had that feeling before?
Run back.
Hmm?
We can go back.
Why?
Because it's better than just in the park.
Oh, you're gonna actually run.
Yes. Look at the little stream. Oh my goodness!
Stop! Come here. Hold the camera. I want to jump in.
No, don't jump in. Okay, don't get in it.
Don't do that. You're pointing the camera.
Don't get in it.
Oh my God. Okay, fine.
I don't know what's going on.
Pretty.
There was a stream like this behind Demi's house when I was a kid, and we dammed it up and put fishes in it.
Seriously?
Yeah, we caught fish in the lake and put them in it.
You caught fish and then you put them back?
After we dammed it up.
Savage up in this. There's a log. That log is life. Dad, what's the most hip word you know?
Motherfucker.
Shake my head. What's the second most hip word you know?
Kaylie Jane.
Oh! That's my middle name, by the way. Look how pretty that is. This is mainly like my first ever vlog. So, I hear a woodpecker. Did you guys hear that too? There's a little bridge for. Really? I wonder. Ooh, let's lift one up.
Honey, this is a nature trail. You don't come here to fuck shit up.
Dang it. Oh, that was my finger, I think. I'm sorry.
You hear that? I hear water.
Oh, baby. We're off to set to Neverland, here we come. I don't think that's the right song.
Nope.
Nope, okay. Never seen the movie anyway, so, yeah. What's up here? That's pretty. I hear a lot of water. You guys can't see that, can you? There's water. There's water. There's water. Oh, Dad, it was just like zoomed up on your face.
Cool.
I know.
Kate, are you going to record the whole time?
No.
Why don't you save some juice for the waterfall?
So this is fun.
What?
Can you see? Oh, look at me just sitting on a bench. Oh, that's cold.
It's cold on your little toddler buns?
Dad,
What?
shut up. You guys can hear we're already almost to the waterfall. Love you, Dad. I hear it. Can you guys hear that? Or maybe not, because I'm going to put music in the background. Oh boy, there's people. It's so pretty. Hang on. I'm going to go get a better look. Look at that. Look at that. You see how pretty it is? It's so loud. But like, so pretty. Ah. Okay. You look at that tree. It's so pretty. There's like dust flying everywhere. It's so pretty.
So pretty.
Thank you. I'm gonna go get a better look.
Okay. Keep going on the left.
Oh. Okay. Okay. We're making it. Guys, we made it to the top. Or, sort of the top. My dad sees how high this is. That's probably can't hear me though. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone. But, it's a keep in my way. I'm scared it's poison ivy, but I know it's not. I bet 0 people know I'm making a YouTube video right now. Okay. That's a dollar for you. And now my shoes are all muddy.
Are they?
Yes. Send that to me. I'm gonna have so many videos that I've clipped.
the water park.
I don't want to go see. Those are gonna go see up here. Sorry, I'm running in, like, my hands aren't steady whenever I'm running. But these are kind of like broken stairs. Like, I really should have brought in a selfie stick. Guys, look at this. Look how high we are. And then I'm just gonna take a seat right here. Dad! Let's go up higher. Let's go higher. Look at how high we are. Is it bad on how bad I want to like take a ride down this? Like, this would be the best amusement park ride.
That would suck.
Because that's a solid for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Bubbles! Ooh, Dad, I got a perfect spot for you to take a picture.
What?
I got a perfect spot for you to take a picture. Well, we gotta go back, and I just completely soaked my foot, so slippery now. Okay, hang on a second. Hey guys, okay, so I had to stop the video because of what just happened, but it was so hilarious because I like went to the other side, and when I was coming back, my dad dropped his glasses in the rushing water, and they like went under a rock, and we were both trying to get the glasses back out from under the rock, which we didn't. But I reached under the rock and I grabbed something that I thought was, you know, just like a big rock, and I looked at it and it was a crawfish. What? I didn't know that there could be crawfish in there. And so I like threw that thing because I didn't know what it was. I'm like, oh my god, it's gonna shoot me. But no, I'm still safe. But I'm gonna end the video here because I submerged myself in that water. So we're gonna have to turn around pretty soon. So it was good making a video again, and I will try my hardest to keep up, but I'm like grounded. So I'll try. Love you guys. See you later, and like and comment and subscribe. Bye.